Hello Kauai, here's our COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai from Monday, November 16th. As of Monday morning, we have one new case to report, which brings our total number of active on-island cases to 13. 2 cases are in the hospital and all are in isolation. Our new case is a female visitor who traveled to Kauai from the mainland. She took a pre-travel test as part of the state's pre-travel testing program, but did not receive her positive test result until after arrival. Our official cumulative case count is now 92, including 1 probable and 9 positive cases diagnosed elsewhere, since they had positive tests taken on the mainland, but results were not received until they were on Kauai. The Kauai Police Department and the National Guard are tracking approximately 1,900 individuals in travel-related quarantine. For additional information on our COVID cases, please visit kauai.gov/COVID-19. The County of Kauai, in partnership with the Hawaii State Department of Health, will provide free COVID-19 community testing at rotating sites every Sunday through the end of the year. Yesterday, November 15th, we tested 413 residents at our Kauai site. We expect results for those tests in 3 to 5 days. Last week, we tested 194 people at Vidina Stadium, which resulted in 2 positive cases, but one of the individuals had already been identified as a case. These tests are targeted for those who work closely with visitors, but tests are available to all residents for free, including those who are uninsured. Testing is available every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. through December 27th. Participants should register in advance at kauai.gov/test. Bring your registration, confirmation, and an ID to the testing site. Test results are expected in 3 to 5 days. The next 2 testing sites will be this Sunday, November 22nd at Hanapepe Stadium and November 29th back at Vidina Stadium. Save at least 15 minutes of wait time by pre-registering at kauai.gov/test. As an important reminder, these tests are not part of the state's pre-travel testing program and cannot be used for quarantine exemptions. For those who are visiting or recently returned home from the mainland, post-travel testing is available. This program is free for residents. Please visit kauai.gov/COVID-19 and click on one of the post-travel testing buttons. To qualify for a post-travel test, you must have participated in the state's pre-travel test program. If you have not participated in the state's pre-travel testing program, there is no option to test out of quarantine once you arrive. Again, for more information on the county's post-travel testing program, visit www.kauai.gov/COVID-19 and click on the post-travel test button. The county will use a new health screening measure for customers at the Lihue Civic Center's Kapule building starting November 16th. Individuals will need to pass a temperature check and answer a few health and travel-related questions before entering the building for services. Those who do not comply or do not pass will have their appointments rescheduled on a date at least 14 days after their initial appointment. Social distancing guidelines will be enforced and masks will be required for entry and service. The Kauai County Housing Agency and Kauai Community Alliance will hold its Kauai Housing Connect Homeless Outreach event at Salt Pond Beach Park on Tuesday, November 17th and Lidgate Beach Park on Friday, November 20th. Both are from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Approximately 15 nonprofit agencies will offer various services including flu vaccinations, vision screening, hygiene products, and more. Face coverings are required. For the Tuesday event, there will be a shuttle bus service from Lucy Wright Park to Salt Pond and back between 10:30 a.m. and 3 p.m. And for the Friday event, from the Eva Street bus stop in Lihue and from Lihi Park in Kapaa to the Lidgate site from 10:30 a.m. to 3:15 p.m. For more information, please call the Kauai County Housing Agency Homeless Coordinator at 241-4427. And to our girl, Paula Fuga, who donated her talent and her music to help raise money for the Hawaii Food Bank this weekend, we want you to know that Kauai loves you and we got you. Thank you for sharing your story and your struggle. Homelessness and hunger is no laughing matter. For anyone out there who is in need of food, there is help. Please call the Hawaii Food Bank Kauai branch at 482-2224 or the Kauai Independent Food Bank at 246-3809. Paula, we are your parachute. Even when the wind no longer carries you, we love you. There are still several food distribution programs underway on our island. The State Department of Education's Grab and Go School Meals program runs weekdays through Friday, December 18th. The program provides free meals to children ages 18 and younger. 1 lunch per child is provided. Please call your local school for serving times. The county and the 2 Kauai food banks are conducting the Kupa'a Kauai food distribution every week to the end of the year for food insecure individuals and families. Households can pick up food once per week, but must pre-register. Registration starts on Saturdays for the next week, and you are asked to register at least 48 hours before the distribution. Please be sure your email is correct. To register or for distribution times and locations, please visit kauai.gov/COVID-19 and click on the green button that says Food Distribution. The Hawaii Food Bank has scheduled a series of pop-up food distributions. The next one is scheduled on Friday, November 20th from 10 a.m. to noon at Vidina Stadium in Lihue. Advanced reservations are required. For more information or to register, please visit hawaiifoodbank.org/Kauai-pop-up. We thank you for understanding the role you play in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Please continue to stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask, if at all possible for you to do so. Remember, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. It's a sign of respect and aloha. Do not leave home if you are sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Be kind, take care of one another, God bless, and aloha.